Okay everybody, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Argentine 1909 Mauser. Now we've already made a video previously about the Argentine 1909, but we have gotten this example which is in just immaculate condition that we wanted to cover. And the story with these starts out with Argentina not being happy with their their 1891 rifles, because those were kind of starting to get outdated, and other countries in South America started to upgrade their rifles, starting out with the Chileans in 1895, started getting better rifles with double stack magazines and better stripper clip loading and different things like that. And Brazil then got the 1908 rifle. So Argentina decided they needed an upgrade to kind of one-up their neighbors. So they adopted the 1909, and it uses the Model 98 Mauser action, and still uses the same stripper clips, uses a different pattern of bayonet, but it mounts the same way, and has a double stack magazine. The sights go from 300 up to 2,000, and it doesn't use a follower hold open like some other Mausers will, but it's cock on open, 3-position flag safety. This position is fire, this is disassembly, and this is safe. And this example is really nice because it still has bayonet with it, has the original sling on it, and has a muzzle cap on the end. The muzzle cap pushes in and rotates off, and it's a little brass cup with metal extension that holds it onto the rear sight, and it's spring loaded on the inside. And then you've got the number matching cleaning rod on this one, which is fairly hard to find. And here's the bayonet. We're not going to fix it right now because it's a bit of a thing to get off and on, but very nice quality bayonets that were made in Germany. And also, on this example, the bayonet has the original frog on it, which you can see the Argentine acceptance stamp on the back of it. And with these rifles, originally Argentina was going to order slings from Germany, but then somebody in Argentina realized that their number one export at the time was beef, and what goes along with every cow is leather, so they decided they should make their own slings and frogs. And it's a very nice leather sling that's painted green, and it's a really nice quality one that's in excellent condition for its age. And the receivers will be nicely in the white, and the 1891 rifles were actually blued, but this was kind of just a trend at the time to have in the white receivers because of how nice it looks for parade, and you can't really deny that it's an excellent looking rifle from that finish. Also 5-round stripper clips. This one's kind of loose, but go in there, the top of the rifle like this, are held in with the bolt release lever. And the ammo we're shooting is PPU 180 grain soft points. And these rifles would see service in Argentina for a number of years, eventually being phased out in favor for FN49s and FALs. But yeah, these are exceptionally nice rifles, and just great collector pieces if you can manage to get your hands on one. And also great shooters, as we're going to demonstrate here in a second now that I'm done talking about it. So let's get into shooting it some. Alright, we're going to start out with 5 rounds down at 100 yards. We're shooting PPU soft point ammo. And it's important to remember with your Argentine Mauser, make sure you get your muzzle cap off, because a lot of these will have muzzle caps on them, and if you forget them, you're going to end up blowing it off at the end of your rifle. hang up there. That's all 5 of them. Alright, here's our next group, or our first group. And it's a very nice tight group just above the plate, but a very accurate rifle. Alright, now we're going to fire a group with the bayonet fixed, down at 100. That's all 5 of them. Alright, here's our group with the bayonet on. And it's another tight group, but it raised up and went to the left. And there, you can see the 5th shot went right here, skimmed the edge of the cardboard. But it's another real nice group. Just shows you how the bayonet changes point of impact. Alright, we're going to fire another 5 rounds down at 100. We've taken the bayonet back off again. Alright, that's all of them. Alright, here's our next group, and back in the same spot, but even tighter group this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is a really nice shooting rifle. Okay, everybody, that's going to be it for the video. We had a lot of fun with the Argentine 1909, and these are excellent rifles, and I think one of my favorites out of the Mauser family of rifles. This one in particular is just in immaculate condition. And yeah, these rifles would continue to serve in Argentina for a number of years, eventually being replaced by the FAL, as well as FN49s. But the FAL would be the large-scale replacement. They adopted that in much more numerous numbers. But yeah, if you want to see any more out of this Argentine 1909 or any of our other Argentine rifles, let us know in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one.